Morgan's getting his license back this weekend, so today we're going to make his car finally legal again.
So, like James just said, I'm getting my license back this weekend, so I have to fix up the Sylvia to get all nice and road legal. So I've changed the steering wheel back to the stock one with the airbag. Also put the stock suspension back in, so I'm nice and high. And yeah, all we have to do now is just fix up the airbox.
Yeah, so unfortunately when Morgan purchased the car, it didn't come with the factory airbox. It just had a big old pod filter smacked on the end of the intake, which makes cool noise, but up here in Queensland, that is illegal. So what we're doing today is we're gonna build our own custom airbox to suit the pod filter. And really, like if you go online, I think you were saying it's around $200–300 aftermarket kind of airbox setup. We're gonna have a crack for about 50 bucks. So let's see if we can do it.
So we've taken the filter off the car, and one thing I've always wanted to change is the actual bracket that holds it up. This one, it's not an OEM one, someone's actually put it on it, and it just makes the filter sit a bit low and rubs on everything. So today we're also gonna replace this and make up our own bracket, just to make the filter sit up a bit higher and clear everything around it. So when you're using some heavy duty tools like this one, it's also important to use some safety equipment because we don't want to lose any fingers or any eyeballs or any type of balls. I don't know. So all we're doing here is just cutting this piece of cardboard up, going back and forth from the car to the table, just cutting bits here and there, just trying to make it fit as nice as we can. And we're just going to use this as a template and then transfer this onto the piece of sheet metal we have. So now that we've bent the metal into shape, all we have to do now is just drill out these holes on the little tabs that we've left here, and that's just where the glass is actually going to mount to. What we've actually done here is put some vacuum lines just around the edges here, just to clean it up a little bit. So all we have to do is just tap these little tabs here, grab the glass, chuck it on, and then we'll be all sweet. So it is nighttime now, so we're pretty much done, just got one more step to go, and that is putting our new Project B sticker on it.
So the airbox looks fantastic. It ties the engine bay up nicely. There's no longer just a pod filter hanging, fan dangling its way back and forth in front of the engine. But the creme de la creme, the piece de resistance, someone French is gonna tell me I'm saying that wrong, is the fact that we've got one of our Project B stickers slapped right on top. If you're wanting a Project B sticker, the only way you can get them is by attending one of our meets. So if you're yet to get your sticker, be sure to come to our next meet. We're having one this month on the 22nd. We'll put the Facebook link down below. Head over there, check it out. It's looking like an awesome turnout already, and we're still a few weeks out now. But yeah, that's the only way you're gonna get them. We're not selling them. We're never gonna print them again. It's a hashtag 100 to celebrate the fact that we reached 100 subscribers, which, you know, it's a small milestone, but hey, we've gotta celebrate the small stuff. But if you've enjoyed this video, you like the content, you're liking our DIY, we're not mechanics, automotive machinists. This was just us having a good old crack, and I think we nailed it. Then hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Project B video.